Math worksheet for section 8.1. They give you some key terms. They tell you what a quadrilateral is, consecutive sides, non-consecutive sides, diagonals. Good idea to read over this. We're going to read the lesson. For number 1, we're going to state whether each statement is true or false. If the statement is false, explain why. I'll explain it, I won't write it. You can write it. Part A, quadrilaterals are named by listing their vertices in order. That's true. The segments that make up a quadrilateral intersect more than once. That's false. The segments intersect once, or sometimes the segments don't intersect at all. The sides of a quadrilateral can also be called diagonals. That's false. Your diagonals connect the non-consecutive vertices. They are not the sides. Part D. The sum of the measures of the angles of a quadrilateral was 360. I said 360. It's supposed to be 300. That's false. The answer is 360. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Number 2, use the diagram of quadrilateral EFGH. In each exercise, use the given information to find the measure. Explain how you would find the measure. So if you know angle E's measure is 70, angle F's measure is 130, find the measure of angle G. Well, notice how angle H is 90 degrees. So that's really, really important to notice that, because if you don't know two of the angles, then it's going to be tough to find the angles that are missing. So we're going to start with 360. We're going to take away the 90 that we have. We're going to take away the 70 that they give us and the 130 that they give us. So the measure of angle G is 70. Okay, now it says explain how you found that measure. Well, I'm going to explain with an equation. 360 minus 90 minus 70 minus 130 equals 70. Part B. Measure if the measure of angle E is x and the measure of angle F is 124, the measure of angle G is that same x plus 20, find the measure of angle G. So I'm writing down my 4 angle measures. I know my 4 angle measures add up to 360. Just combine your like terms and solve. We have 2x. We also have 124. I put 120. We have 124, 90, and 20. That gives us 234. We're going to subtract 234 from 360. We're going to get 126. 2 times our mystery number gives you 126. So divide by 2. Okay, so our mystery number is 63. So that's the measure of this angle. The measure of angle G is going to be 63 plus 20, which is 83.